.42. .66. .96. Let's try a 1-on-3, one shot on 3 targets. See how that goes. Oh, I'm out. All right, that was a .83 on 2. That's all right. So, all right. We're out today doing some testing with the new Aridus Imperium Handguard and heat shield. This is an integrated unit. It's kind of the evolution of a lot of testing from our friends at Aridus Industries. Adam Roth of Aridus Industries, always an innovator, always a creator, has gone through a lot to bring us what is coming in the near future from Aridus. And it started as this is the kind of prototype heat shield that we were testing from him. It's a heat shield integrated with the Zukov 2.0. The Zukov 2.0, the Zukov 1.0 was an incredible solution. The Zukov solution for the Beretta 1301 was incredible. It always has been, always will be a terrific solution. Especially once Adam refined this amazing texture that he created. Those of us who truly utilize the push-pull method, using that offhand to push and stabilize the shotgun, we really felt it immediately and really began to understand and translate those forces of the push and pull simultaneously with the shotgun. This, however, is next level. The Imperium Handguard that integrates a much longer heat shield solution is coming to the market very soon. And I'm feeling it for the first time. And I'm very, very impressed where we're at with this. Kind of an all-around circumferential texture, whether you're right-handed or left-hand, a wonderful solution. Metal on metal mounting, if you so choose to run a light and your pressure pad, whatever you should deem necessary to attach to this forend, is going to mount much more securely. And compared to other offerings on the market, I don't think there's much that's going to answer this. So another banger drop from Aridus Industries. Keep your eye out for the Imperium Handguard from Aridus Industries. And I would keep an eye out, get on it as soon as you can, because this is the future for your 1301. And in the not too distant future, I'd say there may be some things coming for that A300. So keep an eye out on it. I think there's a lot coming in the shotgun world from Aridus Industries, as always. And get out there, shoot those shotguns, and enjoy yourself. So we'll see you out there at training. We'll see you out there for some great things, and have a great day.